kids! Good afternoon to all of you. This is Teacher LN and welcome back to our Science Online class. Okay, so this morning we studied the different kinds of weather, right? Yes. So we are just going to review what are the different weathers, okay, of the day. So the first weather that we studied, okay, that is okay, so the first weather that we studied, class, this weather is sunny day. Okay, sunny day. Next one, we have here when the sun is hiding from the cloud, that is cloudy day. Okay, and next one we have if it's raining, then the weather is rainy day. Okay, and if it's raining with the lightning and the clouds are angry, that is stormy day. Okay, and next weather, if it's the wind is so strong that day, that weather is windy day. And the last one, if it's snowing, the weather is snowy. Okay, so again, one more time, class. The different weathers are sunny day, cloudy day, rainy day, stormy day, windy day, and snowy day. Okay? Right. So now let's practice by looking at the pictures. Let's practice what weather it is. Okay? So how to answer this worksheet? Match the weather picture with the right situations. So we have here in the left row, in the left side, we have sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, and snowy. So you are going to match which picture matches the weather. Okay, so for example, the first picture is sunny. So sunny, all right, it matches to this picture. So since it's so hot, then the child is swimming. All right. So next one, cloudy. Which picture matches the cloudy weather? So that one. Okay. Next one is rainy. Okay. So the child is having an umbrella because it's raining. And windy. Okay. What's that? The animal is having a bad day because of the wind. And next, it's snowy. So the child is playing with a snowball. All right, so next, your worksheet is this one. This is your homework. Okay, so you will practice tracing the word. Okay, practicing the word of the different weather. Okay, so that would be all for this afternoon class. I hope you are now, you know now how and what are the different weather of the day. Goodbye, class, and Merry Christmas to all of you. Okay, goodbye. See you on Monday.